Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day, taking a quick look here at Injective, seeing what's going on. I get a lot of questions about this one just because we took a trade and the price immediately dropped, which I gotta kind of let you know, that happens a lot. So please, please, please try not to overthink it. Swing trades are built to have sustainability and longer, bigger picture scenarios, and we still have a long ways to go before there's invalidation. So just keep that in mind, heads up on that. Is it looking perfect? By no stretch is that the case, but hey, we made out the difference, right? With some nice, healthy profit there from Solana, 78% in 5 days, Chainlink 33% in 3 days. So congrats to our community members. Quick heads up to new members, because we got a lot of new members coming in daily. Please read through our signals guide. You need to understand the difference between premium and premium plus. Day trades perform a lot different than swing trades. Please understand that. So again, questions, concerns, feel free to reach out, but let's double check a few things on Injective, see what's going on, okay? So let's get some indication on where we're at with liquidation, okay? So this is the last 7-day look back. We can see there's tons of liquidation down here in the $30 mark, 30.5. Our invalidation level is somewhere around 34. Okay, so we're still in good shape here, being in the upper 36 range, but generally speaking, there's a decent amount of longs here between 33 and 34. Justifiably so, considering the circumstances here, looking pretty bullish still with this coin. At least the last 48 hours has been pretty strong. Having said all that, there is a liquidation levels at about $40. That is essentially where our targets are at, because I think it's pretty safe to presume $40 will be hit once we can confirm a couple of bullish qualities. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Daily time frame, first of all. To clarify, we're still in good shape here. We're above all moving averages, including the 20 and the 50. Obviously, today's candle hasn't closed yet, but a closure at 37 or higher today would be phenomenal. That would kind of just confirm that we're still above that level while we're at or below the volume profile. Actually, let's zoom out a little bit and make sure. We can see here that we are generally within that volume range. So just know $38 can prove as a resistance level. We were at about $38 when we took that trade yesterday, and effectively the price ended up dropping pretty quick, right? Now, I like to bring that up because it's extremely common and very normal. So if you ever take a swing trade and the price doesn't go the way you want it to right away, you don't freak out. You trust in the TA and you understand that big picture, things are looking still bullish. Again, most TA for swing trades are taken on larger time frames, not necessarily the smaller time frames. Right? So you got to recognize daily, 4-hour, 12-hour if you're into that. Those are all things that factor in, okay? So take a look here. We got a MACD convergence almost converged, right? Now this is a little premature. We want to wait for that to converge, but again, we'll naturally be converged if we close where we're at or higher today. We can see, of course, as well, RSI over 50, that's a bullish sign. Money flow index is pulling back a little bit. And then, of course, traditional stochastic as well, is swinging upwards. So those are all momentous indications. Still confirming our daily time frame has like 9 out of 10 positive contributing factors. Okay, so again, no invalidation there. 4-hour time frame, this looks still pretty good. We're above this 0.382 fib level, which is, again, another point of, I wouldn't say contention, but it's a good area to consider that we'll have a lot of support there. Another reason why I put our second profit target there, our second entry target there. So we actually averaged our price down pretty nice here, and we're almost in profit, honestly, at this point anyways. So if you want to close your trade, you're not comfortable with it, go ahead and do so. But I built that trade specifically to ensure that we get a nice fill at that 35.90 range. And now that we've done that, the likelihood of the price continuing higher is still pretty great. Keep in mind, we got the 200 and the 20-day SMA hanging out right there at $37. All the more reason why closure at 37 today is important. But again, we're maintaining ourselves above most moving averages. We have a nice little ascending trend here. And all in all, the trend is still our friend. We take a look at the TD sequential. We can see we're about 5 hours of continuation to the downside. We've since hit a reset with this consolidation effort between 36 and 37. So again, the 4-hour time frame, is it perfect? No, but it's looking still pretty decent here. We've got our second stochastic RSI convergence here forming. Potential bounce off 50 and the RSI and money flow index is coming down. Don't love the MFI dropping, but a lot of coins are doing that based on how overextended they are right now. Okay, so it's kind of a common characteristic. We can see, however, that there's a bearish divergence here with the MACD. That can absolutely play a part, but the fact that we're sustaining above this level here at 36 tells me we're probably in pretty good shape, pending Bitcoin doesn't drop to 41,000 or lower. Okay, 42.5, I think we're still going to be in good shape. That's really what we're looking for Bitcoin to get a pivot off of 42.5 if the price does pull back. And I think we're going to be able to see that. What would that do for us here? Well, that'd probably take us to this low $34 range. And that right there, basically a daily candlestick closure below 34 to me is an invalidation here. It's just one of those things here where we're in a position where we're still looking pretty good. Keep in mind these blue levels here, these blue lines, these are key level resistances and supports based off a majority of retests. So we've had a lot of retests of this 3447 mark, 3450. So if the price pulls back to that level, that would be a case in point where we'd probably be able to see our ABC pattern complete and effectively see the price action pull back up. Okay. So we take a look at the hourly here. If I recall correctly, I think we saw this here. We've actually kind of already finished our ABC pattern if you think about it. There's also potential head and shoulders too, right? So again, a lot of little things kind of forming and playing into this that we want to kind of pay attention to. But on the same accord here with this ABC pattern already having been complete, that leads me to believe we could start over with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So again, a lot of reasons why we're still in decent shape. Is this a perfect situation? No. But we still got some things kind of letting us know that it could continue lower. We got to be mindful of that. If you're worried about it, by all means, close your position at a small loss. If you average your position in, I think our average price, if I'm not mistaken, is $37.50. We're really not that far down. Okay. But again, situations like this, you just kind of got to push through and recognize that the big picture is still looking good. With us finishing this pattern here and then confirming on a few other factors, I think we're still in good shape. Let's quickly look at the hourly though and double check the Ichimoku cloud. We did break below, but we still haven't confirmed below that level. Okay, while lagging span is free and clear and conversion lines below the baseline, you don't take a trade here based on the Ichimoku cloud or the price being below that level. You want to have confirmation. So again, if today's candlestick closes somewhere in the 36.50 range, that could be a confirmation for a short position. And if so, you may want to go ahead and hit that old reverse button and consider going down with this coin. Me personally though, based on Bitcoin showing strength at this level, if it can sustain 43 to 44K, I really think we're going to be able to see one more last surge here for Injective to be able to sweep the upper level liquidity at 40 bucks. So that's kind of where I'm at here personally. Again, we take so much profit on so many swing trades that if one trade like this doesn't go the way that we want, it's not a big deal. If it's a big deal for you, you're probably got the wrong amount invested in each trade and you're using too much. That's my speculation, because some people will immediately ask me as soon as a trade doesn't go the direction we want it to instantly, are we still good? Are we still safe? And if you keep talking about how much money you're in the red here, then you're considering yourselves as the wrong things, right? Because again, swing trading is all about having security in that technical analysis, knowing that it's going to go where you need it to go. If it doesn't sometimes, okay, that's probably manipulation in most cases. In this situation, it was kind of just bad luck. The price turned right around. But on the same accord, we've had so many coins go in the same direction we want to. The law of averages is in our favor, no matter how you look at it. Okay, so please don't over leverage. Please don't overstay your welcome in the trades. Looks like we got some company here. Might have to get going. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much again for watching. Quick little heads up. Make sure you use Bitunix. Link down below. It's a phenomenal exchange. No KYC, no VPN required. Absolutely love them. I do appreciate you. Once more, thanks again for your time. See you in the next one. Take care.